Not happy today, are you?
No.
Why?
Don't know. Just not happy. Today is going to be filled with lots of swearing, lots of grumpiness, and an 18 parental advisory certificate.
Subscribe now.
That one.
So we can shut the bike down a bit, possibly.
It's just one of Mark's mates.
This is Tanya's, his wife, Mrs. I think they're married, I don't know.
Oh.
It's wood. Yeah.
Part of the 75 and ZT Club.
Cafe and Bidwist.
Coffee and cars.
That's the one. That's the one.
I don't know.
So what's it in for?
Work.
Ah.
You read my mind, I was going to do that.
So that's as far as we've got with it. We've got sill ends to replace. He's had these made, they're handmade by a man with hands. We've got washers, brackets, rear brakey things. We've got to weld them in, chop it all out, weld the new bits in, cut it down to size, skim with a bit of filler around the edges where we weld, make it all smooth, and then paint it blue. Paint's come in, he's going to organise that. We don't need the paint yet because I don't think we're quite ready to paint.
Well, you never know.
Doubt it.
And what's Reg going to do while you do all this?
I'm going to be doing this and he's going to be in the office in a grump.
Ah. So it'll be a good video.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah, no, that's quite
That's not a fault anymore.
You're Rusty Reg. This is your calling.
Yeah, but everything is out of sync this week.
Why? Where's the sink?
The sink's in there. No, everything's out of sync. My routine is fucked.
It's only Monday.
Yes, but I'm looking after a child.
Oh yes.
I don't do that.
Hello child. How old's the child?
7.
Hello, 7-year-old child.
She's not here. She's at school.
Probably watches YouTube.
She doesn't watch me on YouTube.
Oh.
It's my sister. Looking after my sister for the week.
What's her name?
Elowen.
Hello, Elowen.
And I can look after a child for a day. Never had to do the school run or bath time or bedtime. So I've cut all this out. I knew that hole was going to be there because I could see it from the other side. However, this is the jacking point, which isn't attached to them bits to make it structural. So
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop.
So I'm not just going to leave it because, as Dad was saying earlier, if we left it, it'd be unprofessional, obviously. And say she goes into a tight place and they jack it up, it would crush the seal because these bits aren't actually attached. They'd like fold in or fold out, and that would just go up, and then it would all go tits up, basically. So yeah.
You're gonna re-weld that as well then? So that's gonna be, you're gonna weld that together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Less tutorial, more work you will.
wonky. Hello.
Hello, is that the bailiff?
It is, yeah.
Hello?
Hurrah!
What's the matter? Scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Because if I cut this and it's wrong, then I need to get a new one.
How many times you want to do it?
I'm gonna do it again.
Maybe twice at once.
Choppy choppy!
You do that way too well.
He does, doesn't he?
Well,
Let's get a glue that's down on the
Happy?
floor.
I don't know.
so far.
Thanks for the warning.
Owie!
Yeah. Toss up.
Whatever.
Go away.
I thought it was a rusty Rover.
A bloke has built a 12-metre tunnel under his garden so that he doesn't have to walk to his shed in the rain. That's a lot of effort just not to get wet, isn't
I
it?
told Trev that if we get the workshop behind him, that I'm building a tunnel underneath into the pit. So I don't have to get wet when I go for MOTs.
God. How are you going to get the car there?
The car can drive in.
Yeah, but what?
I can just move the tunnel.
Yeah, you can just move the tunnel. It's going to be like something off with a star in their eyes or something, isn't it? You're just going to emerge from this.
So like Matthew, I'm going to be an MOT tester.
Yeah.
Reg, there's a food truck somewhere that has a golden retriever that gets your food from, like, in the bag and stuff in the back and carries it round to you. It's so cute.
Where?
Well, so much sandwiches in the dog's mouth?
Lovely, yeah. I'll have
It's
cheese and
there,
saliva
yeah.
sandwich, please.
No, you fucking muppets. Just carry it in the bag.
It's a Jeffrey.
And it is a Jeffrey. And it's very cute.
There's a dog as well. Pull that off again, clean the edges up, tack it in.
I feel like you're going into like an operating theatre.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feel good.
Preparation. I'm ready. Ow. So we finished the welding both sides, put in the replacement panels, which we cut down because there was no point using the whole thing because it wasn't the whole thing that was needed. Put some stone chip on and some primer.
Come on, Rox.
Yeah, stone chip primer, obviously with the other side as well. And then we need to put some filler on and paint it.
Happy days.
What?
This job.
Well, it looks very narrow. It's not narrow. That's 400. It's like that wide. Roller door.
I just sent a picture of that to Randy. He's got a picture of him on it.
I want to buy a boiler.
Is it?
Body filler. Personally, I think that's not very good. Having a, that's what they call it. It's not racist. It's fattest. Fattest. That's.
That's the only fat people can use this filler.
And being as slim as what I am, I find that discriminating, and that's how people should look. And I don't look like that, and I feel really bad.
Only fat people will get offended by that.
Do you know what
Skinny people will as well, though.
the first thing I thought when I saw that was, I wonder what sound his belly button makes. And you probably figure out a bit.
It's the same sound that makes when you pull your filler out.
I don't think it does. It's probably a shockwaves.
Or pretzel.
We've mixed body filler. It comes with its own little tub of hardener, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use mayonnaise. Mayonnaise hardener. Oh, lovely. And then cats will lick it as they walk past because they'll like it. By the way,
It's my mayonnaise, Dave.
By the way, we only use Hellman's mayonnaise. It's the best. Hellman's.
That's not Hellman's.
Yeah. We don't take two. We only use Heinz seriously good mayonnaise because it is seriously good mayonnaise. It's the best. If you want to send us some for free.
Come near me.
We've got enough room for the welding man, so wear goggles and get a little bit of a suntan.
No, because weld burn is fucking horrible.
How is it fuck? It's suntan. People pay money to get a suntan, and you're covering yourself up whilst welding to do that. Protect your eyes.
I'm steaming up.
Save a
See,
cheerleader.
no. I need little inside wipers.
Save a frog,
Yeah, Save a cheerleader. What was the film? What was the programme that was on telly? Save the cheerleader.
Saving Private Ryan.
No,
Saving Ryan's Private.
we're not Saving Ryan's Private. That's a completely different film. That was 18s only. That was before OnlyFans.
Oh, like Sausage Party. I thought that was a
No.
kids' film.
Rubbish.
That was weird.
That was weird. Nearly weird as fucking.
Well, it's Seth
caterpillar.
Rogen's film, isn't it? So obviously it's going to be a
Human
bit.
centipede.
Oh,
Just fucking
yeah.
disgusting.
That is not good. Right, I'm ready to do some welding.
You ready?
I are.
Put some filler on, and now I'm doing the brakes.
Thanks. Is that it?
So what we've done is we've obviously welded, as you see previously. and now we've put a couple of coats of filler in, rubbing it down, getting it smooth, getting it to the right shape. Weld starts drying and I'm stood around doing nothing. Oh no, that's Reg. I'm fitting the new brake backing plates with the handbrake shoes already attached. Whilst that's drying. Yeah.
Oh.
So that's it, we're done with this one. One last thing to do to it is to get it out of the workshop, give it a wash, make it all pretty again, and hand it back to the customer and take some money for a change. Be nice, lovely. Thank you very much.